Hi, Brad, heavy equipment mechanic for One Energy. What we're going to discuss today is walk-around inspections on equipment, trucks, trash pumps, cubs, whatever has oil or in it. You know, we need to be checking those before we just get in it and go. Basically, walk around and you want to look at. Want to make sure if it's got tires on it, it's got air in the tires. There's no puddles on the ground. You want to look at like a loader frame, make sure there's no cracks. Forks, make sure the forks aren't cracked. Then you want to check coolant, check engine oil, check hydraulic oil and transmission oil, make sure those are all up to snuff. To me, it's a lot cheaper to make sure it has all the fluids in it than replacing an engine or a component. I know a lot of this equipment gets slip seated, and that means several operators get in it, but that still should be checked every time because you don't know when the last time it was checked. Then during operation of the equipment, you want to keep an ear out for any unusual noises, clunks, bangs, and report those so that it can be addressed. You know, I don't want to get in it and move it and okay, now it's got a clunk and nobody told me about it. It's too late then. And then after you're done using it, you want to do another walk around, make sure you didn't damage anything. There's no puddles on the ground now after you used it. You know, we try to be preventive maintenance instead of reactive maintenance. You know, downtime costs money, so if we can keep the fleet up, all the better. Reason I'm not showing you, where to check oil on this equipment, because it's all in different locations on each piece of equipment. Every truck has a different location. Another important thing is when you're done using it, say you run it 8 hours, you want to grease the machine instead of just letting it squeak. But I don't know what else really to add to it, but I think it's important that we do our walk-arounds. Oh, we have a generic form for works for trucks, equipment, everything that we can put in the equipment, and that way you got a list to go by. A lot of it doesn't apply to to everything, but at least you got an idea of what you're looking for. Like air filters, if they're plugged, it's not good for the engine. There's something else I wanted to add. Oh, we can, if you have any questions about the equipment, about how to operate it, we have SOPs on, I think, everything. Be like operators and maintenance guides, where I think they should be read first before somebody even gets in a piece of equipment and runs it. That way you have an idea of what you're doing. These machines are dangerous. You get hurt. So, safety above all. Keeping the machine intact, working correctly, makes a big difference. And hey, thanks for watching.